Lila and the time-traveling clock. Lila loved clocks and dreamed of exploring different times. One day, she discovered an old clock in her attic that seemed to sparkle. Curious, she turned the hands and suddenly, she was transported to a bustling medieval market. Lila was amazed by the sights and sounds around her. She explored the market, meeting friendly villagers and tasting delicious foods. After a fun day, she turned the clock's hands again, finding herself in a futuristic city with flying cars and robots. Lila couldn't believe her eyes. Each adventure was more exciting than the last. As she traveled, she learned about different cultures and histories. Lila realized the importance of understanding and appreciating the past and future. After returning home, she shared her stories with friends, encouraging them to learn about history and embrace diversity. Lila learned that every moment is a treasure and that time is a wonderful teacher. From that day on, she continued to explore, using her magical clock to inspire others to cherish every moment in their lives.